Crypto Billionaire 69 coming back at you guys with a daily update. Let's get straight into the charts. We are hitting these support levels around these four, and we hit all the way down at these 3802 levels. Okay, this is very important to watch. This is our absolute lowest point of support. And if we go ahead and draw out this Fibonacci retracement tool again, we can see, boom, we can see that we have broken through this 0.5 level, and we are approaching back down to these 0.618s. Okay, very important. We did see a huge red candle breaking to the downside, but we are putting in a doji candle on the day right now, at least for at this current moment in time. We definitely want to watch if it closes as a doji candle and we see tomorrow a green candle pushing higher than this wick. That's a bullish sign. However, if we see this as a red candle pushing down lower than these 3741 levels today, that is a very bearish sign that we will continue to go lower until we hit this 0.786 level, most likely around these threes again. So stay patient, and yeah, today is very important to watch. We want to see what this candle does. If it breaks below this 3739 level, it's pretty bearish. Then we got to watch this 0.618 Fibonacci level around these 3583 levels to see how the buyers react if the support comes in and starts challenging all these sellers. But yes, that's one option. The other option is we start to push higher again, and we close above this 0.5 level at the 4032. That's a good sign. Okay, it's decent. But really, all that matters right now is being patient. Don't do anything, and just wait for tomorrow to see what this candle is like tomorrow. Because right now we're in a standstill, and putting your money in now will be a very, very risky move, because we just don't have the right amount of price action yet to make the wisest decision. Crypto Billionaire 69. I hope you guys have a great day. Good morning, good afternoon, my friends. I hope you guys are doing well, and go out there, make some money, have some fun, live your life. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Crypto Billionaire 69 out.